Welcome! This is a training course for wireless prototyping with LabVIEW Communications System Design Suite. More specifically, the focus in the next couple of hours will be on the LTE application framework. LabVIEW Communications is a design environment that integrates with the NI software-defined radio hardware. This means that it is extremely easy to deploy code to processors and FPGAs. NI's goal is to enable rapid prototyping of communication systems, and today we're specifically going to look at how this works with LTE. This is going to be achieved on the hardware side by flexibility and performance of FPGA technology on our USB Rio, and on the software side by abstracting hardware complexity and with seamless driver support through LabVIEW Communications. In this course, you will understand the features of the LTE application framework, and you will learn how to use this for product prototyping. Now let's look at the life cycle of a wireless communication system. First is the theoretical phase, when new algorithms are proposed and evaluated. Then comes the prototyping phase, to prove that the algorithms will work with all the implications of a real system with different levels of completeness. And finally comes deployment, which involves productization and testing. 5G is actually a very hot topic these days, as you probably know, and software-defined radio prototyping will help us understand what 5G actually means. Today, our focus will be on prototyping. This is an area that NI is very active, with various projects as indicated by the green boxes. This is an overview of what we will be working with in the course. The USB Rio, which is a software-defined radio ideal for prototyping due to its compact form factor and its relatively low cost, and LabVIEW Communications 2.0, which is the latest release of this software. This is the agenda for the course. We will have 6 different lessons: the introduction to the application framework, specifics on LTE features, how to work with the code, and what the implementation looks like. After that, there will be exercises that you can go through on your own time with our guidance, and then finally the conclusion.